National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Cass County, Indiana, western Fulton County, Indiana, southwestern Marshall County, Indiana, Pulaski County, northwest Indiana, southern Stark County, northwest Indiana, White County, northwest Indiana, until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time at 6:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from DeMont to Collegeville 28 miles south of Remington and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Wolcott around 7:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Monon and Maderryville around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. North Judson around 7:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Monticello around 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Winnemac around 7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Royal Central around 8:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Lee, St. Pierre, Reynolds, Clarks, Chalmers, Smithson, Sitka, Norway, Indiana Beach, and Buffalo. These storms have a history of producing wind damage across northeast Illinois. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark. This is no weather rate.
And we get to step on stage and we sing.